The de Broglie wavelengths of a proton and an alpha particle are lambda and 2 lambda respectively. The ratio of the velocities of proton and alpha particle will be. We know the formula for de Broglie wavelength. De Broglie wavelength lambda is equal to h by mv. H is Planck's constant, mass and velocity. Now we need the ratio of velocities. So you bring this v here and the lambda here. So velocity is proportional to h is Planck's constant, leave it, remaining. Velocity is proportional to 1 by m lambda. Now we will start calculation. Velocity of proton by velocity of alpha particle is equal to, for proton, mass 1 unit and wavelength for proton, here it is lambda, so lambda. And coming to alpha particle, for alpha particle, mass and wavelength we have to write. Mass 4 units and then wavelength 2 lambda, so 2 lambda. So lambda lambda cancel and then 8:1 is our answer. And in the options, you can pick this option.